this is Cammy at Cammy Nguyen LLC, and today we'll be talking about mapping, you guys. My secret to mapping when I do a fill or a full set, how I get my shape so perfect, and that is with the help of my Cammy pen, you guys. This is a white marker. It comes off with water. It's good for, you know, if you have it, it's safe on the skin. And this, you guys, this is my secret. This really helps out when, you know, I want the shape of my lashes and style to look as perfect, you guys. This marks the spot. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is my marker right here, and I'm gonna show you, look at this. See that? Yes, see that? Very easily, it marks your skin, marks the spot. And before you use this pen, make sure that her eyelids are cleansed and also eyebrows. So this, you guys, this marker is really good to mark, you know, the eyelids for mapping of eyelash extension styles, or you can also use it to map eyebrows. If you're a tattoo artist and if you want to map the eyebrows, you can do that with this pen too. It's amazing for both lash extensions and also brow tattooing mapping for both. So when I map, you guys, normally everybody maps, you know, they have their eye patches and then they write you know, their links on the eye patches, and I just don't like to do that, you guys. I just feel like it looks really messy, and I just feel like it's, you know, it's just, when I do that, it just doesn't map out the eyes perfectly for me, because when I map out, I want this pen, I want to map it out right on top of the eyelids so I can see it better. And each eye, you guys, every eye, the right eye is always different from the left eye. So when I mark, it's just really, it's so much easier for me to see. Okay, so I'm going to show you a little trick of mine. Okay, so when I map, you guys, this right here, this is the highest point, the peak of the eyelids. This is, see, so when my clients open their eyes, as you can see, it's like a little mountain right here. This is the highest peak right here. You see this, you guys? See how it comes to the highest point? This is where, when she opens her eyes, the lash extensions are gonna look the highest. Okay, so this is why right here, you guys, this is where I go a little bit lower. If you're doing like a cat eye, this middle center right here, it would look lower, so I would do like, you know, shorter lashes. Or if you're doing a you know, wide eye look, this center right here would be the longest. Either the peak should be the longest or the shortest for a certain shape. Okay, so this right here is the highest peak, and then it drops, you guys. See, it goes lower on the outer corner, and when it goes lower, you guys, that's when they open up their eyes, this is a make it or break it point. It's right in between. See that? This is the peak, and then this is the outer corner. This right here, this center part right here, this is the area where it drops down, you guys. And when it starts dropping down, this area right here is very important that you make the lash extension length higher, this part right here. So when I map out, this is what I do, you guys. So I go in, see that? This is the outer corner. I make sure that I tap, see that? That's like the outer corner. And then this area right here, this is the important middle center where it starts to droop. You see that right there? I squared it off, and then this is the highest point. See, from here to here, that's the highest. And then we start going into the inner corner. And that's how I do my mapping with my pen. And it creates, you guys, this is like, I do it on everybody. This will create the perfect shape, the perfect style, mapping right on the skin. And when you're done, you wipe it off with my makeup remover or just water and my cloth, you guys. It comes off so easily, okay? So as you can see right here, this eye on her right eye, she has a different shape, and on her left eye, she has a different shape. So when I map her, it's gonna be different on her left-hand side. As you can see, this is the outer, okay? And then right here, her lowest point, See, it starts right here. Okay, and then she has another peak a little bit right here. And then this right here, this is the highest peak. See that? On her left-hand side, the peak is more into the eye, you guys. So it's more inward. And see, her peak on the right-hand side is more to the right. It is so, look at that, you guys. So see, each eye for certain clients are different. This is why mapping with my pen is so amazing. It really does help you guys see the shape better, and when you're styling, it's just so much easier and simple instead of getting a marker and, you know, looking all messy on her eye patches. And also too, with my pen, if you are a brow tattoo artist, you know, you always want to mark it like this, you guys. So with tattooing of the eyebrows, so what we do is we just mark all the areas just like that before you tattoo. Hey. All right, you guys, so go out and get my pen. This will make such a difference, you guys, when it comes to, like, it'll change up your lash game, it'll change your brow game, you know, when it comes to mapping on both ends, you guys, lash extensions and brow tattooing. This is the best pen ever. It will change your life. It'll give you a better understanding of mapping and shaping. Trust me, when you use this, it's so helpful. And when your clients, they open their eyes, you're gonna see such a big difference, you guys. All right, you guys, I love you guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube and like all my videos. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the next videos on Cammy's tips and tricks.